Hi everyone. So welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss on the uh, build a simple LLM application. So how you can use generative AI along with your what other application you have and what kind of like how the ChatGPT works, right? So in the same manner, you can use those kind of APIs and LLM integrations with your application. So today we're just going to just go through like how these applications are working and how you integrate in your app. Okay, so let's just quickly discuss like what are the things is required. First, it's Langchain, that is AI framework. Okay, it's a generative AI framework which is very useful to reduce the code base. So with some that particular packages, we can easily call any LLM APIs, and we also have number of agents and vector DB features and all the things that maybe we can cover it later. But yeah, it's a just basic AI framework. With that, like with the minimal code, we can integrate the LLM in our particular application. So yeah, this is the one part. And another is we are going to use LLM. So it's a large language model. You heard this term in the generative AI. This ChatGPT, which is working with this GPT-4o, GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4 Turbo. All these models are the LLM models. It's trained on the vast amount of internet data. And so like whenever we are asking any query, it will generate the results. Okay, so the same way how we can integrate those here, and for that we are going to use that Grok cloud, which is providing the number of models. Today I'm just for the testing purpose I'm using this Llama 3 8 billion parameter model. You can use any model. You can, if you want to use gamma model or any OpenAI models or any cloudy models that you can use. Currently, this one Grow Cloud is also providing like a number of models. You can see this Gamma 2, 9 billion parameters, 7 billion parameters, Llama 3, Grok 70 billion tools. So we have the number of models that you can use. Okay, so yeah, today I'm going to use this Llama 3 8 billion. So let's just quickly start how you can do this coding and how you integrate this Langchain and the LLM in your applications. So first of all, we need to install this Langchain. So currently, I'm just using this Google Colab. Okay, uh, you can use anything, the same method. You just need to run this all this code in your model. Okay, so now first of all, I'm just running this first installing this Langchain with this pip install the Langchain command. Okay, once installation is complete, you need to install this Langchain Grok. So there are certain other packages which is dependency which we need to install to use the particularly the Grok. If you want to use the OpenAI, so you need to install the OpenAI and packages. Okay, so in the same manner, I'm just running this particular command to install this Langchain Grok. Once this one is completed, we need to set up the model. Okay, you can see the code here. We are simply importing this chat grok from this launching grok, and we also need to set up the API key for this one. So I will tell you like how you can get this API key. First of all, you need to sign up or sign into this grok to cloud. Okay, so you will get this URL in the description. Once you sign in, then you can go to this API keys. Under the API keys, you can create this API key. You just need to give the name of this one, and then you can copy that API key and you can use it. Okay. So and also you just keep it save in some safer place, so you can use it later. Okay, because once you close this one, then you don't see that API key which was created. Okay, so yeah, I mean there is no issue. You can create the new one, but if you want to use that older one only, so you should keep it safe somewhere. Yeah. So yeah, once after I'm just running this one, it will basically ask me to enter the API key. So I'm just entering here. Okay. So once I'm entering the API key, what I need to do, I yeah. So like first, basically, let me tell you about this messages. How messages are we are sending, right? So whenever you see this interchangeably, like whenever user is asking something question, then LLM or the ChatGPT is giving the answer. So whatever is user is asking, that is called the user query or the human message, I would say. And what are the response we are getting? There's the assistant response, you can say, or what are the ChatGPT response, right? So that's the assistant message or the AI message, you can say. Okay, so those are the mainly two type of messages. Okay, so like what are the user, then assistant, then again if you're asking user some another question, then assistant will give the answer. So that kind of array we have as a stack. And you will see this, we have this system message also here. Okay, so in this system message, it's nothing like just kind of the setting the context of what are the conversations we are going to do. Okay, so suppose if I'm mentioning like the translate the following from English to the German, so whatever user will ask in the upcoming chats. Okay, so suppose if I'm sending the hi, so LM will take this one as a system context. Okay, I need to follow this kind of instructions, and it will give generate the answer. Okay, so this is nothing, it's just a system message. And yeah, if I'm running this one, it will basically run this one, and you see I'm just passing this message with this model invoke as a messages. This one I'm sending, and in the response I'm getting this AI message. Okay, along with this I'm getting this content as a hello. So it is translating this hi to the German. Okay, it's a kind of the hello. And in the response metadata, we have the number of things like a token usage, what are the token it's used, that these are the completion token, this is output token, then there's a prompt token. So what is the prompt token which use? It's a combination of this system message and the human message. Like whatever we are sending here, that is considered as input as a prompt tokens. The total is like output and input are total is 27. Completion time and some other metadata we have. Okay, then after this one, you will see this AI message, right? This one. So we are getting content plus along with the metadata. So like we have a lot of things here, but we are only considering this particular results, which is this hello content only, right? So to parse this one, we in the Langchain we have this output parser. You can simply use this string output parser. Okay, this is again from Langchain code dot output parser. You will import it. You can create the one instance of that one, and after that you can just simply invoke this particular model. So what are the results you got? So basically, this is the result you got, and that you are sending to the parser, and it will generate result like this. Hello. Okay, so it remove all other necessary thing unnecessary. It will just only taking this required, which is content. Hello. Okay, so yeah, this is about this parser. Then in this long chain, we have the one concept which is called the chain. Okay, so here every time you don't need to store this results from this model into the one result, and you need to again send it to this result to this parser like this. Here instead of you can do the chain, you can create, okay, where you are just differentiate with this pipe symbol. Okay, and what you can do, you can just simply in the with the one line, what are the model I will invoke, I mean channel I will invoke, what are the input I will give, what are the output I got from the model, that is that will be the input for the parser, and what are the output will get, this is the hello at the end. Okay, so I will just quickly show you when they run. uh, it's a model, it's running, then I'm invoking this particular chain with this, what are the message we have. So at the end, we are getting this hello as a results, right? So unnecessary steps we will be reduced here in this case. Now there is one more thing. We have this prompt template. So previously you see like in these messages, right? We have the system message and human message, right? So all those are the static thing. Even the user query I was sending was a statically, and system message I was sending, that was also static, right? So if I want to do some kind of dynamic thing, I want to change that hi with something else, or I want to change any language, like instead of German, I need to change it to any Italy or any other language. Okay, so how can I do? I can use this chat prompt template. You just simply import from this Langchain code prompts, and from that you can just import this one. And yeah, I will just explain you how this is working. So system template we have, then translate the following into this language. Okay, so this system template I'm just setting up. So whatever is coming inside this curly braces, which is called as dynamic thing, okay, which I will send at the time of I invoking the chain or any model. Okay, at that time I need to pass this language, so it will take it dynamically. Okay, so suppose I will set up like this. Okay, I have this prompt template like this. Okay, I have the system, I'm setting this system template, this one, and user, I'm just passing this text only. Okay, so if you'll see in this one, prompt template dot invoke, if I'm invoking this one, so language I'm passing is a German, and the text I'm setting is a hi. So what it will do, language is changed with this one, and or the text which is considered here, so this hi will be replaced here, and it will invoke the result. Okay, so I will show you the how the result looks like. Okay, so you can see this chain prompt value I'm getting, the instance of this one, and inside this message I have the system message like translate the following into the German, and the human message is contained like what I pass here. Okay, so here this is just the kind of chat prompt value. If I need to convert into the message, then result.to message, and this particular thing I need to send it to the LLM or the model, okay, to generate the AI message or the assessment result. Okay, so yeah, this is the template, prompt template, which is very helpful to maintaining the dynamic things which we can send at the time of the run. Okay, so what we can do, the same thing I already discussed the chain one, so we can do the chaining here also. So what are the input I am passing, so at the time of the run I will send this language and the text, okay, in the with the prompt. Okay, so what are the output I will get, this particular message, this message I'm sending to the model, and model will generate some kind of AI message along with the metadata, and parser will only take the content from that AI message, it will show the result. Okay, so let me run this one, this is running the chain, and this one is to invoke a particular chain. I'm just passing this language German and the text hi. So if I'm changing hi, okay, let me change it hi, and German with Italy, I'm just passing. Okay, so it should give the result in that particular way. So is this Xiao? Yeah. So this is all about this video. uh, with this you can easily integrate this LLM models or the Langchain, this AI generative AI as a plugin in your application. So this is a very basic understanding of the how these LLM applications are working. Okay, like how you are giving the input and how you are get the output as a result. Yeah, in the next upcoming videos, we'll cover a lot more things into it. Uh, I would say please hit the subscribe button, like button for the best amazing videos, and just tell me in the comment if you don't uh, like this one, or if you want to cover any other topics. Please mention in the comment section, and you will get this code in this and all other required URLs in the this video's description. So please subscribe to this channel, like one, and please share. Thanks for this watching.